This tutorial will guide you through the process of canceling your Adobe subscription. Visit the Adobe website and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your Adobe ID and password to access your account. Once logged in, go to the Plans section of your account. This section will display all your active subscriptions and plans. Identify the subscription you wish to cancel. Click on the Manage Plan or similar option associated with that subscription. Look for the Cancel Plan option on the management page. Click it to start the cancellation process. Adobe may present you with the options or offers to keep your subscription. Review them if interested, but if you want to proceed with cancellation, select Continue to Cancel or a similar confirmation option. And there you have it. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!